Sawadee Kap, everyone. I'm at Thai Bistro. This is along Church Avenue in the Flatbush section of Brooklyn. So this is a little Thai restaurant, Thai Bistro. AM stands for American. You can see the letters up above my head. So this is kind of one of my favorite places to have dinner at on Sundays. A little New York tip, I don't know if I should be sharing this, but on Church Avenue, at least this part of Church Avenue, on Sundays you're allowed to park in the bus lanes. So it's perfect for me to just drive on in here. And I'm starting off with the Thom Kha. If you've been to Thailand or at least been to a Thai restaurant, Thom Kha Gai, the Gai refers to chicken, that's the chicken right there. So this is a coconut soup with lime juice, galangal, lemongrass, and other herbs. And this is one of just a few Thai dishes that I actually make at home. Thai has 3 different kind of dumplings. These are the chicken jeep dumplings. I'm told that refers to the type of flour, and they're telling me that this is the Thai style. They're fried, and when you bite them open, I'm going to show you in a minute, it looks a little bit like a chicken meatball. And then this one here is the chives chicken and shrimp, and they gave me a few different sauces. This is the sweet chili sauce. This is the ginger garlic soy. And this is the sambal. Sambal is spicy, by the way. So first, I want to try the chicken chives and shrimp in the garlic sauce, garlic soy ginger sauce. This one has a crispy bottom. You can tell that it's packed well. Nothing falls out like does happen sometimes. And chicken is the dominant flavor in this one, I'd say. And there are little tiny pieces of shrimp. So next, I want to try one of the chicken jeep dumplings. Now these are crispy. And when you bite into them, they look more like a fish ball, like a fried fish ball. But if I had to pick one, I would go with the chicken jeep. And they also serve peanut sauce as an option, which I want to try that as well. The Chiang Mai noodle khao soi is really one of my favorite. So that's what I got, of course. And I just want to show you what this one looks like. So those are crispy egg noodles on top. And then when you turn it around, I'm going to tilt down a little bit. You can see there are yellow egg noodles underneath there. Chicken, so this is Khao Soi Gai, just like Thom Kha Gai would be Thom Kha soup with chicken. And that's yellow curry, but it is kind of like a soup. So I like to think of this dish as something you try after you're already used to pad thai, you've already had drunken noodles, in my case, Gui Tiao Khua Gai. This does have some spice to it. I'm gonna hold this up close. You should see the little dried chilies there, but this is it. Like you have the 2 different kind of noodles and they kind of offset each other. One is crispy, the other one's not. So then there's the chicken, the Gai. And I'm told that the khao soi paste has 6 different ingredients. And again, this one is like, it's a northern Thai dish and it's like just starting to catch on. You still don't see it at every Thai restaurant, but it is my new favorite. I'm finishing with the mango sticky rice. So just check out this presentation here. It's mango season, so that's why I ordered this. You got a little blackberry on there, some whipped cream, fresh strawberries. And I want to say thank you very much for tuning in. If you like this video, please click subscribe. I got more trips coming up. I got San Antonio, Jacksonville, Florida, and I have another trip planned later this year to Maryland. So thank you very much, and I want to say Kap Kun Mak Mak Ka and Lagon Ka.